In this tutorial video we will show you how you can look at deleted Instagram messages. First open the Instagram app. Then go to your Instagram profile. Then you tap on the three horizontal lines. Tap on your activity. Scroll all the way down. Then tap on the Download Your Information button. Select on Request a download. If you only want to see your messages, then you want to click on the second option. But if you want to see all your deleted media, comments, messages and much more, then select the first option. We just gonna select the second option. Then select Messages and tap on Next. Here you can select the media quality, the format, and the date range. Then submit a request. And they will email you to download the file, and you will be able to look at your deleted Instagram messages. That is how you can look at deleted Instagram messages.